definition of rice burner. He's booking it. What's a chick? I don't want the 5.3. And we've arrived. These are tires right here. Oh snap. These are sweet.
They're gonna be sticky.
Oh yeah, these are gonna be nice. Cool.
If you're in the Phoenix area, you're looking for wheels and tires, I really appreciate Todd, Kevin, Mo, all the guys there, family-owned business. They live right across the street from me, actually. Their information's down in the description. They helped me pick out the tires. They got some new TPMS sensors. They're the best. I don't gotta worry about any of my stuff getting scratched or anything like that, and it's quick and easy. Hit them up if you're in the area. I really appreciate them, and their info is down below.
And we're back. I'm nervous. These things are meaty.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be solid. I think it'll fit.
Yeah.
I purchased some black lug nuts off of Amazon. I'll leave them linked in the description. Here's what they look like. Just simple. This side has a cone shape to it. You need that for any aftermarket wheels. And then these have a certain socket as kind of a locking mechanism so that you can't just take any regular socket to take them off to protect your wheels a little bit. But if someone really wants them, they're gonna get them because they're probably gonna have one of these sockets. But we got all the wheels laid out. Let's throw it on and see what our fitment looks like and make adjustments to the suspension from there. Oh, yeah, it looks nice. The tires actually make a huge difference in the look.
Mm-hmm.
Huge difference. Alright, we got all four on. We'll see what the fitment is like. I didn't think it'd be that high. All I gotta say is that I'm not really happy with how the wheels and tires look because we have some work to do. We gotta roll the fenders, we gotta get the suspension dialed, and then we can judge it and kind of feel it out. These are really, really tough cars to rock wheels, and most people run RPF ones for a reason because there just isn't like 1 or 2 or 3 sets of wheels that look amazing on this car like a lot of platforms. This car is tough. It doesn't have a lot of body lines. It's a hatchback. You wanna have a lot of tire, but then it's an interesting car, but I'm determined we're gonna figure it out and we're gonna make this look good and I'm gonna be happy. So let's put in some work. As far as these Kansai wheels though, and these tires, really, really nice. These tires are meaty and I can't wait to drive it hard with these on here because I haven't really ever owned a car with tires like this before. And it just looks like it's gonna grip up really well in the corners and just be a blast, so. Before we mount the wheels and tires, they're pretty aggressive. And we need to roll the fenders. Now, Leo has always helped me with this, and this time around, we're gonna head over to his house and see his garage and make it easy for him. I have the wheels and tires in the back of the car right here. They fit pretty well, actually. Perks of a hatchback. So we'll stop at Leo's, hopefully get the fitment right, make sure there's no rubbing in the rear. That's mainly the problem. And we'll drive home on the new setup. back with Leo. Leo, we don't got to do any instruction on this one because we've done that enough. But what's the verdict on the Mazdaspeeds? The rear usually we're talking about. The front, do you do on a lot of people's, or what have you seen?
It really depends. If you're doing like a slammed car with a lot of camber and the whole flush look, the flush stance slammed look, then yeah, of course you're gonna have to do the fronts. But for your setup here, I think we might be safe with just doing the rears. We already tested that other side. It seems like you're in the clear. I mean, from here you could even see how much more space you have up there. So we'll go ahead and do these rears, put the wheels back on, put the front wheels on, see where we're at, and if I think it looks good, then we'll take it for a ride. If the front looks like it needs something, then we'll do the fronts and then we'll take it for a ride.
Here's the look with the new wheels. It looks good. It does look a little bit soft. I want it to look a little bit edgier, and I know this car needs mud flaps, so I'm gonna get some black Rally Armor mud flaps. And then we have this nice track stance. It's the first time I've ever really done that. I usually go for like almost flush fitment, but still dailyable, and I want to be able to drive this car hard, and whoever gets it be super comfortable. The soft, sticky tires, have a lot of fun with it. So I really think it needs mud flaps. We still need to clean up the headlights, but I'm hyped. This is gonna look really, really good. The Kansai wheels are clean. But this thing needs a detail. We'll get the mud flaps, get the tint on the back window, and then we'll do some restoration product for this black plastic. This thing's gonna be looking nice. So the only rubbing we had was right here, this corner where the bumper connects. You just kind of flatten it out with the flap disc on the grinder, and then we should be good. Got back to the house with this aggressive of a wheel and tire setup. The mud flaps are definitely going to pull it together. Cover a little bit of the overhang for the tire. It'll clean up the look and kind of give this hatchback that rally-ish look. A lot of people back in the day thought these things were all-wheel drive when they saw them, because they did look a little bit rally-ish, but those days are kind of over. And I think the mud flaps stuck. I think that's a look that's kind of timeless for these. I want to end this video out with a little driveway presence. Check this out. This car looks so sick. Look at this thing. We still got to do the headlights. With that pearl white, oh, in person, it's got this like glare in it. I'm trying to get on camera. There you go. I got that exposure fixed a little bit, you can see it. But man, this thing looks awesome. You come around to the back, the driveway is stacked right now. Sheesh. I can't wait till we get mud flaps, it'll be perfect. It's that color up close. I'm really happy how this came out. Look at the stance and everything. If you want to win this Mazdaspeed3, you can support our team and our company. We're just a bunch of guys in our 20s who want to create some awesome experiences for car guys like yourself. In the description, hit up karmaspeed.com, grab something on the website. It'll get you automatically entered to win. This is almost over, so don't lose your chance at getting in right now. We have a sale going on currently. You can get 10x entries for every $1 you spend. It's a great time to get entered. Hope you like the look. We'll add the mud flaps. We'll get the fender liners in. We're going to get the tuning fixed soon. We're going to take this thing for a drive. It's gonna be a blast. And if you're thinking about putting a wheel and tire setup on your car like this, you're gonna need some rear camber arms. Check out this install video right here so you know ahead of time and how to avoid some problems that you might run into when you have a wheel and tire setup like this.